So let me just get you just to casually just hang out here for a minute. Let me get my test shot, and then once I dial in my lighting and everything is good, then you can basically do your thing.
Okay.
I will also try to adjust you. So if I'm seeing something that I don't like that much, I'll tell you, okay, let's change this up, let's make it better.
Okay.
But my goal is, just like your goal, is ultimately to get the best shot for both of us. So, let me turn this up a little bit. It's a little bit higher. Let's turn this on. Let's go 1/16. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Test. Okay, I'm loving this. This is looking fire. Okay, awesome. Is that your brother?
Yes.
I didn't even know he was there.
Ernesto, my
Hello. All right. So now we're dialing. Let me show you. Hold this for a minute. Let me just grab this camera to make sure we're in the right. Hold it. You got it?
I got it.
Let me just make sure we're in the right. All right. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to get that. We're gonna try to get that in the background.
Okay.
For now, what I want you to do is just basically come towards more towards the edge. Like you can lean up there. All right, let's get this. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. And just always remember where your lighting is coming from, which is there.
So you want me to look towards this way? Or?
Yeah, you could turn, making sure your face is positioned this way. You can turn your eyes towards me. And sometimes you can even look off this way, but even looking to this most of the time. And then your eyes, if you find your eyes is like way over here, because if you look following the bridge of your nose, if your eyes is over here, to me, I'm seeing more of the whites of your eyes. So if you're looking over this way, just follow the bridge of your nose. If you're looking that way, then it will be good.
Okay.
All right?
So like, for example, like...
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Now, what I want you to do is basically switch legs for a minute. Like right now you're like this, right? I want you to bring this up. There we go, bingo. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Lean forward just a little bit. This way. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right, now let's lean on the car a little bit, and then bring this leg, like bring it.
Here?
Yeah. There you go. Actually, come forward a little bit. Right there. Now, turn your body this way a little bit. I want you to bring your hands here. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Hold this for a second. So basically, you're gonna bring your leg up this way, but you're gonna bring your hands like this. All right. Obviously, you'll make it look a little bit more elegant than I just did there. Yeah. Perfect. Now, that hand, put it on your knees. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. hold that. One, two, three. Beautiful. Hold that. One, two, three. Nice. Get back. Hold that. One, two, oops. One more. One, two, three. Beautiful. One more. One, two, three. All right. Now, lean like if you're like leaning up against the car, like you're just chilling. Actually, yeah, that's good actually. I like that. I like that. Crossing it like, yeah, just like that. All right, hang on. Let me bring this light back just a little bit. Yeah. Now, if you can, pushing your hips back and you're yeah, like that, just like that. All right, hold that chin down just a little bit. There we go. One, hang on. One, two, three.
Look off this way.
Yeah, looking off that way. One, two, three. Gorgeous. Bring your hands up like I'm trying to, yeah, just do that, go back. Bring that hand down just a little bit. There we go, turn your face that way. There we go, hold that. One, two, three. Let's see, is the door open? Oh, it is, okay. Now, step off for a second. Step off for a second. Let me see. Yeah, do this. All right.
This one?
Bring it around more.
So,
Yeah, perfect. Maybe bring this hand in like, let it flop a little. Yeah, perfect, hold that. Ugh. All right, let me just get a test shot here. Hang on, one, two. All right, that looks good. Let me just turn this up just a little bit. All right, hang on, one, two. All right, let's take a break before your makeup gets ruined. Run into the car really quick. All right, we're in business. All right, so you just need them to grab the umbrella really quick.
Mother!
Mommy! Mother! Mama! Try to go and sit down in there. Maybe we could get some coverage on you for the water. Perfect. Yeah, put the foot over that way a little bit. There we go. All right, I'm gonna need to bring this light around. Let's see, what can we do with this? Do me a favor, can you hold this for me? Move all of this stuff. Let's get a test shot here, see if it is.
Alex, is it 4?
One, two. All right, we can rock with this. All right, ready, hang on. 1, 2, 3. So I'm being forced in there. I didn't want to necessarily shoot in here because you have all of this in here, but because of the weather, we're being forced in here. So we might as well shoot in here. So let's just do it. And then we're gonna come out and do some with the umbrella.
Okay.
All right, let me just put this in there for protection and let me fix up my lighting. All right, let's see here. So, no, you can use that for your protection. She don't need it right now.
Need it for your equipment?
No, the plastic is doing a great job.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out, where to light her. Oh man, he has a big truck. Okay, let me try something. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try it. So, if you can, this one I would need you to protect for me because I'm gonna put it separate from the light.
Okay.
Thank you. Come forward a little bit. And you're gonna turn your, actually I should have bring that light around that way. Let me just do natural light and see, hang on. Turn your face towards that light right there. 1 second, let me just adjust a few things. All right, hold that. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. 1, 2, 3. Leaning your head back, like if you leaning back. All the way back, like you're relaxing basically. Like, yeah, and then turn your face towards that light. Bring your hands up like, yeah, turning your face towards the light though. There we go, hold that. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, hold that. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Hold that, hang on, let me just try with the flash. See what we get with that. It's a little bit too much power. Let's push that back just a little bit. 1 second, don't move. Let me just adjust a few things. 1, 2, 3. Adjust that. 1, 2, 3. Up a little bit. So we got back. All right. Okay. So if you can, could you hold this? Just hold it right there.
Okay.
And let me just fix this light. Like it's on, let me grab this.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. 1, 2. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Change your light. Bring it up. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like that.
Yeah, you'll see it better.
Oh my goodness. That's really good. Okay, when that
So you said twist it.
Yeah, turn the wheel.
I love this angle. Like I love how the farm is in the background. I even love the clouds. Like it's.
Yeah, we were blessed with great clouds today.
Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God, Ernesto. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have such a hard time picking.
Hey, that's what I love to hear.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. This is awesome.